Whether you have this for breakfast, dessert, or a snack, this banana pudding recipe is easy to make and absolutely delicious. Starting with the most obvious ingredient, you'll put 1 banana in your blender and then add 1 cup of milk. You'll then get a teaspoon of vanilla extract, pour it in there, and then take 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and add that in as well. Make sure for the maple syrup you find one that only has maple syrup as the main ingredient. Don't get anything that has high fructose corn syrup or any other additives in there. You want one ingredient, and that is maple syrup. Give it a good shake, then add it onto your blender. Make sure you leave it on for about a minute or so just to get it all nice and blended. Once that's done, we'll take a 1/2 cup of chia seeds, pour it in a new container. The last ingredient you'll need is a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Take the blended ingredients and add it to the new container. Shake everything well, put it in the fridge for at least 12 hours so the chia seeds have time to expand, and then you're ready to eat. I'll make 2 or 3 of these at a time, leave it in the fridge so I've got a snack or dessert for the next couple days. If you want to get fancy, you can also drizzle some honey on top of this once you're about to eat it as well. If you give this recipe a try, leave a comment on how it turns out and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already.